Today I shall discuss you about eco-friendly pest control. At first we shall talk about the benefits of eco-friendly pest control. You know there are 5 impressive and important benefits of eco-friendly, such as number 1, some chemicals are hazardous to your health and the health of your family members, kids and pets, but eco-friendly is safer. Number 2, eco-friendly pest control is more effective over time. Number 3, the obvious benefit is better for the environment. Number 4, it is more convenient. And number 5, it leaves your landscaping safe and sound. So from the above discussion, you do understand that you should go with natural pest control first. Stick to use the least toxic solution among the following: Microbial Insecticides, Insecticidal Soaps, Insecticidal Oils, diatomaceous earth, neem oil, botanical insecticide like pyrethrin. And eco-friendly pest control can work for the following insects: mosquitoes, spiders, ants, cockroaches, ticks and fleas, termites, lice, mites, flies, bedbugs, wasps, and other stinging insects. But we shall discuss here only first 5 insects, such as mosquitoes, spiders, ants, cockroaches, ticks and fleas. Step by step instruction for the using them. Top 5 natural pest repellent for your home. Number 1, Citronella oil for mosquitoes. In case you don't already know, Citronella is a naturally occurring oil that comes from crushed Citronella grass. It is the same thing that is in Citronella candles. As if that was not obvious, you can keep mosquitoes away and avoid bites in the summer by using this oil on your arms and legs. Citronella oil has a citrusy and fresh aroma that is very pleasing to humans but deterrent to insects and bugs. Citronella thus acts as a natural insect repellent. You can apply diluted citronella oil directly on your arms, hands, legs, and body when you go on a field trip or in areas that have mosquitoes and other insects. Number 2, chalk for ants and slugs. This one is super interesting. Try sprinkle chalk around entry points to your home. Both ants and slugs dislike the calcium carbonate inside chalk, which is ground up cells from sea creatures. It has been said and proved that if you have chalk outlining the perimeter of your home, they will not cross a chalk line. So, draw a chalk line in front of exterior doors to prevent ants from coming into the house. You can also draw a chalk line around tables, on the porch or patio to keep pesky ants away while dining outdoors, but keep it away from kids. Number 3, dye spider repellent spray. There are few things more creepier than spiders. If you have in your home, mix up your own home spider repellent and spray at entry points around your home. As spiders hate lemon oil, make a mixture of lemon oil, liquid soap and water and then spray around your house, or fill a spray bottle with water and 10 to 15 drops of peppermint essential oil and spray in places spiders tend to hide: under furniture, in closets, and in other corners and crevices of your house. In addition, add a few drops of peppermint oil to a cotton ball and strategically place them into trouble spots. Number 4, diatomaceous earth for most insects. Diatomaceous earth is a rock powder that is made up of prehistoric algae and kills pretty much of all types of household pests. Think fleas, ticks, cockroaches and more. All you have to do is sprinkle lightly where you find pests inside or outside of your home, and this substance will help you keep them away. Or Use an applicator or duster to apply diatomaceous earth when using the powder as a pest control in your house. To control roaches, apply lightly this dust in the areas of infestation, including cabinets and food storage areas around baseboards, doors, and windows. Number 5. Essential oils for ticks. A pet owner knows how common it is for dogs to transport ticks and fleas from outdoors to inside your home. And the thing about ticks and fleas is, once they enter, they can be extremely hard to get rid of, especially fleas. To take a more proactive approach, apply a few drops of essential oil onto your dog's necks weekly to repel them. Ticks hate it. To use oregano oil as a tick repellent, mix 5 to 6 drops of every ounce of carrier oil and apply to exposed skin with a cotton ball. You can also spray the oregano oil mixture directly onto clothing such as trousers, socks, jackets, and hats. Tick often drop down from the trees, so protecting your head is very important. That is all. Thanks for staying with us. Like this video and don't forget to subscribe.